the story of Appu? Yes, Appu likes carrot halwa very much. So he requested his mother to make carrot halwa every day. Then his mother told him that we can grow carrots in their own garden. So, are you very curious to know the story? Okay, very good. Then all of you open your page number 85 in the My English World textbook and get ready with your pen and notebook. Children, now you look at the picture on the screen. Wow, it's a beautiful picture. What is seen in this picture, children? Very good. It is a garden. Very good. Whose garden is this? It is Appu's garden. Very good. Now tell me, what do you see in this picture? Good. A house, a tree, some carrot plants, children, a kitten, and a puppy. And what more things do you see? Very good. A carrot. Do you know, children, where do carrots grow? Carrots grow under the ground. Children, tell me, what is the name of this vegetable which is seen on this screen? What is this vegetable called as? Very good, children. It is a beetroot. Where does this grow? Good answer. Beetroot grows under the ground. Now, look at the next picture, children. What is this vegetable called as? Very good answer. It is a tomato. Where do tomatoes grow? Very good. Tomatoes grow above the ground. Children, now look at the next picture. Yes. What is this? Yes, right answer. This is a potato. Where do potatoes grow? Under the ground or above the ground? Very good. Potatoes grow under the ground. Look at the screen. Yes. What is this vegetable called as? Very good. It is a cabbage. Where does this cabbage grow? Very nice answer, children. Cabbage grows above the ground. Now, look at the next picture. What is this vegetable called as? Very good. It is a radish. Where does radish grow? Very good. Radish grow under the ground. Now, look at the next picture. What is the name of this vegetable? Very good, children. It is a brinjal. Where do brinjals grow? Brinjals grow above the ground. Look at this picture. What is the name of this vegetable? Very good answer, children. It is a turnip. Where do turnips grow? Very good. Turnips grow under the ground. Now, children, come back to the picture, first picture now. Yes. Children, can you see a kitten? Yes. Do you know the name of the kitten? Very good. Sweetie is the name of the kitten. Can you see a puppy? Yes. Do you know the name of the puppy? Very good. The puppy's name is Snoopy. Now, children, how many children are there in the picture? Very good answer. There are 3 children in the picture. What are the children doing? Very good. The children are carrying a carrot. How is the carrot? Very good. The carrot is very big. Where are the children carrying the carrot to? Very good answer. They are carrying the big carrot to Appu's home. Whom do they give the carrot to? Very good. They give the big carrot to Appu's mother. What does Appu's mother make with the carrot? Very good. Appu's mother makes carrot halwa. Do you know what ingredients required to make the halwa? Okay, carrots, cardamom, milk, ghee, almonds and sugar. Appu's mother makes delicious carrot halwa with these ingredients: milk, carrots, ghee, cardamom, sugar. Appu's mother made delicious carrot halwa with these ingredients. Now children, look at the next picture on the screen. Wow! Whom do you see in this picture? Very good. Appu and Appu's mother. What is Appu's mother is doing? Very good. Appu's mother is serving carrot halwa. What is Appu doing? Appu is eating. Now children, you have given wonderful response. Now you look at this picture on your screen. What do you see in this picture, children? Very good. Here are some pictures of vegetables on the screen. You all know the names of these vegetables. All of you should write their names in the blank given under them. You can use the box which has the names of vegetables given at the bottom of the page. I hope you all can write the correct answers. Children, now all of you look at this page number 94 on your screen. D. Pick out. Appu asked his mother to make halwa. His mother said, yes. Appu wanted to help her to make a list of things needed to make halwa. Read the following and pick out the things we need to make halwa. Now list them in the space given below. And there are some ingredients given in the box. Children, listen to me. Sugar, bitter gourd, carrot, salt, oil, ghee, stove, water, milk, a box of matches, spoon, tamarind, bowl, dry fruits, etc. Now children, you all write the ingredients needed to make halwa in the blanks given below. Children, now all of you look at this page number 95. E. Draw and name any two vegetables that you like. Color your pictures and write about them. Children, I hope you can draw the pictures of any two vegetables that you like. And we discussed the vegetables, where they grow, and you know how they are. You should write at least 2 to 3 lines in the space given under the table. I hope you can do it well.